Hi yoga friends! Before we jump into today's exciting yoga practice, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe so you can be part of all our yoga journeys. We've prepared lots of fun poses and games just for you. Ready? Let's begin! Sit cross-legged, place your hands on your knees, keep your back tall, and breathe slowly. Easy pose helps us feel calm and ready to begin. From easy pose, stretch both arms forward at shoulder height, palms facing out like you are gently pushing a wall. Keep your spine tall and breathe. Great! It strengthens shoulders and arms, improves posture, and helps body awareness while sitting. Sit cross-legged. One hand to opposite knee, one hand behind. Inhale tall. Great job! Seated spinal twist improves spinal mobility, massages abdominal organs, and relieves back tension. On hands and knees, round your back like a cat. Now lift your chest like a cow. Let's move gently. Awesome! Cat-cow warms up the spine and makes us feel flexible. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, reach your arms forward, and rest like a cozy child. Good work? Child's pose helps your body rest, stretches your back, and makes your mind feel calm. Place your hands and feet on the mat, lift your hips high, and make an upside-down V shape. Wonderful downward dog stretches your whole body, wakes you up, and helps your mind feel clear. Lie on your tummy. Place hands under shoulders and lift your chest up like a cobra. Great! Cobra Pose makes your back strong and open. Sit tall with your legs straight in front, press your hands beside you, and lengthen your spine. helps you sit tall, strengthens your back, and improves focus. Balance on your bottom, lift your legs, and make your body look like a little boat. Excellent! Boat pose helps your mind focus and feel strong and steady. Bring one leg eye forward and stretch the other back. Sit tall and breathe deeply into your hips. Lovely! Pigeon pose helps your hips relax and your body feel free. Stand tall. Place one foot on your other leg. Bring your hands together and balance like a strong tree. Great work, tree. Pose improves balance, builds focus, and helps you feel calm and steady. Step your feet wide, turn toes slightly out with torso upright and hands on hips. Goddess pose strengthens thighs and glutes, opens hips and improves lower body stability. Step your feet slightly wider than hips, squat down deeply, keep heels grounded and bring palms together at the chest. Frog squat opens hips and ankles, strengthens legs, and helps digestion and grounding. Lie on your back, hug your knees toward your chest, and gently lift your hips while supporting your body. This pose calms the nervous system and gently massages the spine and belly. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, eyes closed. Be still like a sleeping star. Excellent. Cobra Pose helps us rest fully and end our yoga practice. Great job, yoga friends! You did amazing today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Take a deep breath, smile, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.